Good morning class. Welcome to your SST class. And today we will start a revision of SST. Okay, because your UT second exam will start on 9th January. Yes or no? Yes. So everyone complete your work in copy and books very carefully. Okay students. Then let's start today's revision class. Today's date is 5 January 2021. Okay, this is the revision test. Revision test paper 1. Okay. Your UT second exam is based on MCQS. Unit test exam. Here mention now. Unit test second exam based on student MCQS. Understand this terms also. What is the meaning of this word? It means one question is given now and there is the answer is more than one. And you have to choose now the right option. Okay, student? Yes. Your syllabus chapter 12 to chapter 17. Yes? Okay, good. Maximum marks is 50. Your exam time duration is 60 minutes. Okay. And number of question. How many questions are in your exam? Number of questions. Tell me students, anyone you have idea? No. The number of question in SST subject is 30. How many? 30. Okay. It means in 1 hour you have to solve now 30 questions. It means each question you have to time how many times? For each question you have to 2 minutes. That is very enough time. And you solve the question very carefully. And you read now all answers. And after that you choose now the right option. And in front that option you have to click now. Okay. And when in your exam all of you complete now the all 30 questions. First you check very carefully. You attempt all questions. After that, you submit your exam. Okay? Understand? Because this is good for you. So be careful for that. Then let's start today's revision test, students. Yes? Yes, very good. And all of you write now these revision question in your revision copy. Where you have to write now? In revision copy. Okay? Then first question is, this is the take the correct option. Correct option. First question is here. Question number 1. Here the example of some questions. Okay, the first question is gift of nature. Gift of nature. Gift of nature which help us to fulfill to fulfill fulfill our daily needs are called needs are called. This is your first question. Okay, which one is right option? A is natural resources. natural resources. B is man-made resources. Man-made resources. C is none of these. None of these. Okay. This is the first question. According to first question, look at here everyone. Gift of nature which help us to fulfill our daily needs are called A option natural resources, B man-made resources, C none of these. What are our daily needs? Our daily needs like that food, for breathing air, for drinking water, and all things we get from natural resources. That's why your right option will here A option, and in your exam you have to click now from click now the right option, and that is here is A, and you have to choose now A option. You have to click now A option. Okay, this is the right option. Then move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is a dash is used to produce to produce electricity by setting up windmills. Okay, options are A air, B wind, and C is gold. Look at here. A is air, B wind, C is gold. Okay, gold is a natural resources and we not generate from electricity from gold. That's why this is wrong. Air and wind. Here is confusion create now. Yes or no? According to book, both are the options will given here. A is air and B is wind. And here is used to produce electricity by setting up windmill. Okay. When the wind is flowing, that is called air. Okay. That's why this option is wrong. And your right option will is here wind. When the wind is strongly move, that time we used this strong wind is used to produce electricity by setting up windmills. Okay, your right option will here is B option. So don't confuse A and B. Which one is right? The right option will here is B. That is wind. Okay. Then move to the question. Next question. This question is question number 3. Question number 3 is the soil is next is the soil the red soil, sorry, the red soil is red. The red soil is red in color due to the content in the soil. This is your question, and option is A copper, B iron, and C is silver. The red soil is red. It means which substance is responsible for red color? For soil's red color. The right option is copper. No, it's wrong. Silver, it is also wrong. Okay, its color is white color. And your right option is here iron. Iron is a substance that is responsible for red soil is red color. Okay, this option is B option is right here. Everyone click now in front of B option. Then move to the question number 4 is soil is this soil is used for making bricks? It is a easy question, and in your mind the option is remember now all of you, yes or no? Yes. Which soil? A is alluvial soil, laterite soil, and C is sandy soil. Yes. When I'm writing now this question, the options are starting now in your soil. Ma'am, that soil is very poor in fertility. Yes or no? It means that is wrong, because this soil is very good for growing crops and that is very good for fertility. It's a good quality. This is wrong. Sandy soils, its particle is very big. Okay, and mostly this soil is found in the desert area. It's a poor water holding capacity. That's why this is also wrong. The soil is used for making bricks, that is laterite soil, and this option will B is correct here. So everyone complete now these 4 questions. Okay, complete now these 4 questions. Okay student, then I am rubbing now. Then move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, everyone write now, Jim Corbett National Park is situated in which state? Tell me student. Is situated in which state? A is Gujarat. No. In Gujarat, which national park? That is Giri National Park now. Yes. B is Uttarakhand. And C is Assam. Okay. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. This option will B is correct. In Gujarat, Gir National Park, and in Assam, Periyar National Park. Okay. Then question number 6. Question number 6 is, how many types are forests in our country? There are dash. Tell me student. Types of forest in India. How many types? Anyone tell me? A 2, B 3, C 5. No, this is wrong. This is also wrong. This is 5. Anyone tell me the names? Anyone tell me? Any student, please tell me the names. Remember that. What is the name of that forest? First is evergreen forest. Second is deciduous forest. Third one is coniferous forest. Number 4 is thorny forest. And number 5 is tidal forest. Okay, these 5 forests. That's why your option C will here. Right. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, question 7, the dash forests are called, the forests are called Sundarbans. Sundarban, where is the Sundarban deltas? Tell me. Sundarbans. Sundarbans. Option A is evergreen. Evergreen. B thorny. Thorny. C is tidal forest. This is tidal forest. The forests are called Sundarban, that is tidal forest, and Sundarban deltas is the world largest delta in our country, and that is in Bengal. Okay, then move to the question number 8. Then question number 8 is, question number 8, that is, first is, the question is, the highest dam in India is, that is A. Bhakra Nagar Dam, Bhakra Nagar Dam. B is Hirakud Dam, Hirakud Dam, and C is Tehri Dam. This is Tehri Dam. Students, pay attention in this question. The highest dam in India is, it means the question is asking which one is the highest dam. First is Bhakranagar Dam. Its height is 225 meter near about approximate, and this dam is built on Satluj river. Okay, and second one is Hirakud Dam. This dam is built on Mahanadi in Odisha state. Okay, and it is the largest dam in our country. And the third one is C, Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam, its height is near about 260 meter, and this dam is built on Bhagirathi river in Uttarakhand state. At the present time, this is the highest dam in India. This is the highest dam, and this is the longest dam. Okay, so don't confuse now Bhakra Nagal and Tehri Dam. This one is, if in options this one and this one is given now, so you have to choose now the correct option. The highest dam in India is, that is C option. This is Tehri Dam. Okay, and which state it is? It is in Uttarakhand. Okay, and it built on Bhagirathi river. Okay. Hope all of you done now these 8 questions. Okay, then I am rubbing now. Eight questions done now. Then question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is the Nagarjun Sagar Dam. The Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on river. Is built on river A. Krishna, A. Krishna, B. Kaveri, B. Kaveri, and C is Yamuna. Yamuna. Which one is right? Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on the which river? This is the river is Krishna, Kaveri and Yamuna. This river is built on Nagarjun Sagar river dam is in Krishna river. Okay. It is built on Krishna river and in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And it is the important project in Andhra Pradesh. It is the important project of southern part of our country. Then move to the next question. Then question number 10. Question number 10. India is the world largest producer of it means which product in these option, which one is the largest producer of our country? Mica. B is gold. No, gold is wrong. Then coal. Here is confusion create now. Coal and mica. Which one is the correct option? India is the world largest producer of mica, not coal. Okay, this one is A option. Then move to the question number 11. Question number 11. Digboy oil field. Digboy oil fields is in which state? A. Punjab, B. Mathura, and C is Assam. Digboy oil field is in which state? The right option will here is Assam. You have to choose now the Assam state. Okay, in the C. Then move to the last question for today's revision test. Question number 12. Question number 12 is most of the people in our country are engaged in. It means what is the main occupation in our country? People's country. First is dairy farming. B is mining. And C is agriculture. This is agriculture. Which one is the right? Most of the people in our country are engaged in. In our country, mostly near about 75 people live in a village area. That's it. That's why mostly people engaged in agriculture, and it is the main occupation in our country. And your right option will here is C, student. I hope all of you enjoy with me for these revision tests, and all of you students practice now more and more this type of questions, and pay attention these 12 questions, and you practice again this type of questions, because your exam will come soon and it is good for you. Okay, so student, till then, have a nice day. Best of luck for your exam.